Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Motley Full Stock Advisor Review My Usage Experience. Motley Full Stock Advisor Review My Usage Experience offers a detailed look at the Motley Full Stock Advisor service, aiming to help potential subscribers decide if it's right for them. It's targeted towards investors, particularly those interested in long-term stock picking strategies. Key features likely include reviews of the service's stock picks, analysis of the advisor's track record, and comparisons to other investment services. Their website provides details on subscription costs and additional offerings. Their website highlights its experienced stock advisors and their proven track record. They emphasize transparency in their pricing, though specific costs aren't explicitly detailed on their readily available previews. They position themselves as a resource for building a long-term investment portfolio, offering both stock recommendations and educational materials. Availability is worldwide, accessible through their website. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Motley Full Stock Advisor Review My Usage Experience. I found the website itself easy to navigate. Getting started was straightforward. I simply accessed the review through their website and began reading. The interface was clean and well organized. I particularly appreciated the section comparing the stock advisor's performance against market benchmarks. The visual representations made it easy to grasp the data. I delved into specific stock recommendations and was impressed by the level of detail provided in the analysis, including risk assessments and potential future growth projections. One thing I did find somewhat lacking was in-depth information on the methodologies the advisors use for their selections. I also wished there was a more interactive element, such as a forum for user discussion. I had a quick question about the historical data presented and their support responded within 2 days via email, which was pretty good. I was really impressed by how well researched the reviews were. The standout feature for me was definitely the comparative analysis against other investment platforms. One minor drawback was the lack of a downloadable summary of key findings. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with the Motley Full Stock Advisor Review My Usage Experience. It provided a thorough and unbiased overview, helping me make an informed decision about whether or not to subscribe to the main service. That's my overview of Motley Full Stock Advisor Review My Usage Experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.